Hi, my name is Tori Cobbs, and I'm going to be going over the engaged classroom. First, I wanted to post those central questions. So, what is happening in students' heads and hearts as they experience school? And what characterizes classroom episodes during which students become wholly engaged and energized, finding genuine meaning in academic experiences? So some of those findings were that students reported feeling irritable, sad, bored, and self-conscious, and that they struggled to concentrate. Students experience class in categories or flavors of disengagement. So there's slow time, which is routine class times that may become monotonous for students, and then they will start to search for outside stimulation to occupy their time. Then there's lost time, which is a form of disengagement, where students zone out, sort of waiting for class to end. We also have fake time, where students appear attentive, focused, and like they're learning. However, they may actually be doing something else, like homework, studying, passing notes, texting. Then there's worry time, where students spend focused time worrying about non-academic things such as relationship issues, upcoming events, grief, things of that nature. Then playtime is when students are generally attentive but passive. So it may look as though they are engaged, like in a classroom discussion setting, but they would actually be talking off topic about something, social matter, for instance. Then there's actual engaged time, times where students are deeply engrossed in learning. So we as educators should be engaging these young minds. The world we live in now is all about instant gratification, and students are always looking for the next way to get stimulation. So we need to make sure that we are the ones that are stimulating their minds. So we can do that by promoting creativity, just connecting with students, building that relationship, sharing about yourself and asking about them, as well as recognizing that our students are people. We're not perfect. We make mistakes, and they're going to do that as well. My personal experience with some of the flavors of disengagement really come around that worry time topic. I have experienced a lot of grief in my lifetime. I do come from a very large family. So throughout middle and high school, I did lose both my grandfathers. And my paternal grandfather had prostate cancer, and it was very long and grueling and tiresome and just sad process watching him pass away. So I can remember during school that occupied a lot of my mind. It was really hard to focus. I couldn't do much of the work. I started to fall behind, and I did have understanding and compassionate teachers, which did help, and I eventually overcame this and was able to finish. But, these are experiences that I think everyone can relate to. And I think we always just need to keep in the back of our minds that our students are going to go through things just like us. And every day is not going to be perfect, and they'll make mistakes just like we do.